it great to be making something that is built for the big screen? You know, we made it together, and if we do not use cinemas, we're going to lose them, you know? And we don't want to lose them, so let's use them. And that experience, that collective experience, you know, do you remember what it was like when Full Monty came out and we all cheered when they all took their clothes off? The bit where we all gasped at the ghost in Ghostbusters, you know, all these things, you know, Indiana Jones, all these things, they've built us, they've created us. And why? Let's make films that, you know, films aren't being made for the big screen. And thank goodness we've got amazing partners, we've got amazing support, you know, from you guys as well, all the way through. So thank you very, very much. That we want to keep sort of cinemas open and films live and be making things that people go and watch together. Otherwise, it's going to go.